KitchenAid 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set review. This easy-to-use set is a cut above the competition. The KitchenAid name is synonymous with performance, quality, and style, and the brand's 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set is a perfect example of why. With 8 thickness settings and commercial-style rollers and cutters, this versatile set will turn your KitchenAid stand mixer into a one-stop pasta shop. We put one to use in our home, rolling and cutting fettuccine to see how the final result compared both in taste and presentation to hand crank models we've used. If you're still deciding between the KitchenAid pasta maker or a more affordable alternative, read on for our verdict. Performance, restaurant quality. Just when you thought your KitchenAid stand mixer couldn't get any more versatile, this 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set is here to spice things up. Powered by your mixer, the roller attachment effortlessly forms 6-inch sheets of pasta and allows you to create your ideal noodle with 8 different thickness settings. This set includes 2 cutters, one for classic spaghetti noodles and another for hearty fettuccine noodles. The options don't stop there, though you can also use the whole pasta sheets to cut your own lasagna and ravioli. Both cutters produced perfectly perforated, presentation-worthy noodles with almost no effort on our part. We followed the basic egg noodle pasta recipe included in the instruction booklet to make fresh dough in our stand mixer, and then visited KitchenAid's website for a tutorial video on how to use the pasta roller and cutters. It was super easy to attach and detach each of the pieces to our stand mixer, and after that, the machine basically did all the work for us. As directed, we turned the stand mixer to speed 2 and guided 1/4 piece of the dough ball through the roller attachment multiple times and on multiple thickness settings, leaving us with smooth, flat sheets of pasta. We chose to laminate the dough by dusting it with flour, folding it into itself in thirds, and then flattening it again. This process helped improve the texture of the dough and prevent tears. Next, we switched out the roller for the fettuccine cutter and fed several sheets through the attachment, using our hands to catch the freshly cut pasta as it swiftly came through the other side. We then repeated this step with the spaghetti cutter. Both cutters produced perfectly perforated, presentation-worthy noodles with almost no effort on our part. We loved how fast and easy the process was compared to using a hand crank pasta maker. In fact, the only problem was keeping up with the cutters as they churned out row after row of fresh pasta. Placing a tray under the machine to catch the pasta helped with this. When you're done, you can cook the pasta immediately or save it for later, using a drying rack to dry it. We dried our pasta for a few hours, and then used the fettuccine noodles as well as those we made with 3 far less expensive hand crank pasta makers to make fettuccine Alfredo. In a taste test, all 4 machines delivered equally delicious pasta. We did find that the KitchenAid noodles were more sharply defined though, earning this set higher points for presentation. We loved how fast and easy the process was compared to using a hand crank pasta maker. It's also worth noting that, unlike the hand crank pasta makers we tested, the KitchenAid set is ideal for operation by one person and doesn't require any helping hands. That said, pasta making is definitely a more the merrier activity and a fun way to spend an evening with the whole family, a group of friends, or your significant other. One drawback of this set is that you can't bring the fun to a friend's house unless they have one too, or you feel like lugging your 30-pound mixer over with you. Design, sturdy and stylish, the KitchenAid pasta making set is crafted in Italy and boasts a sleek, stylish design and durable stainless steel construction. Weighing a collective 7.5 pounds, this set is lightweight and low profile, making it easy to store in a kitchen cabinet when not in use. We found that the rollers and cutters were solidly built and easy to attach and detach. They also locked tightly into the stand mixer, providing a perfectly stable foundation for our work that we didn't see as much with the hand crank pasta makers.